एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। ॐ नित्यानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। Nityanandam. We welcome all the prince and princess in training of His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Sri Nityananda Paramashivam. We welcome all the viewers of Nityananda TV, YouTube Live and Facebook Live. We welcome all the registered students of the Nityananda Hindu University as well for the series of sessions on Samrajya Lakshmi Pithika, the Agamic scripture revealed by Paramashiva in the Akasha Bhairava Tantra, wherein Paramashiva literally explains about the emperor's manual with which an emperor, a king, can successfully manifest all the auspiciousness and prosperity and suck victory in his kingdom. So, in the Samrajya Lakshmi Pithika, we are into the 16th chapter, Shodasha Patala. Before we enter into the 16th chapter, please let's chant the Mangala Shloka. Sanmargavartinam Rajnyam Samrajya Pratipadanat Samrajya Lakshmi Ritisa Kathyate Shrir Jagatraye. Please start chanting. Atha Shodasha Patalaha Savarna Samrajya Lakshmi Pratima Sthapana Swarupa Kathanam Tatah Purodhasa Sakam Sammantrya Nripapungavaha Sammantrya Nripapungavaha Snatva Nadyam Hradevapi Dhautavastraf Prasannadhihi Dhritvordhva Pundram Dhritvordhva Pundram Nirvartya Satyakarma Yathochitam Sveshtadevam Samaradhya Gandhapushpakshataadibhihi Prangmukhah Prayato Bhutva प्राणायाम पुरस्सरम् संकीर्त्य देशकालञ्च नानोत्पात सुशान्तये प्रजानाम् आत्मनश्चैव राष्ट्रस्य नगरस्य च रक्षार्थं कारयिष्येऽहम् चतुष्षष्टि द्विजोत्तमैः महाशान्तिं यथाशास्त्रम् इति संकल्प्य सादरम् साम्राज्यलक्ष्मी पूजार्थम् होमार्थञ्च बहुश्रुतम् आचार्यमेकं वृणुयात् विनयादिगुणान्वितम् अंगावरणदेवादि देवता पूजनाय च वेदवेदांगतत्त्वज्ञान वृणुयात् त्रिंशदृग्द्विजः सर्वकर्मानुसन्धानम् कर्तुं ब्रह्माणमेव च वृत्वाथ वास्तुपूजार्थम् वृत्वा तु वास्तुपूजार्थम् होमार्थं विप्रपुंगवान् निमन्त्र्य दशसंख्याकान् अथाष्टौ वृणुयात् द्विजान् दिक्पालपूजा होमार्थम् ग्रहयज्ञार्थमद्रिजे विभज्य दश विप्रांस्तु चतुरोऽथ द्विजोत्तमान् वेदपारायणार्थं तु वृत्वा तान् द्विजपुंगवान् कुण्डलैः अङ्गुलीयैश्च पट्टवस्त्रैश्च चित्रितैः अलङ्कृत्य वेददेवन्तान् विप्रान् पृथिवीपतिः। So Savarana 16th chapter Shodash Patala Shodasha 16 Patalam Savarana Samrajya Lakshmi Pratima Sthapana Swarupa Kathanam. The installation of the Pratima, the revelation about the installation of the Pratimas for Samrajya Lakshmi Devi along with her Avarana Devatas. Earlier also, couple of chapters ago, before also, the same topic was there, but that was for Mahapuja. Here it is for Mahashanti. Tataha Purodhasa Sakam. Tataha thereafter. Thereafter means? I myself have told thereafter. Then thereafter means? After having constructed the mandapam for Mahashanti. Okay. Tataha Purodhasa Sakam. Purodhas means Purohitam. Purohita. Purodhasa Sakam along with the priest, Sammantriya Nripapungavaha, having well been informed, having well been advised properly, this Nripapungavaha. What is Nripapungavaha? What is Nripapungavaha? Nripa means Raja. Nripa means Raja. Pungava means, I told, male bull. Nripapungavaha. No. Raja who is like a male bull means who has that courage, he is a male, all these are referred to by here. Nripa means Raja, Nripaha, Raja. Pungavaha. Who asked that? Great explanation. Snatva Nadyam Hradevapi. This Raja, after having taken bath in Nadi, river, or Hrada, or a Sarovara, or a pond, Dhauta Vastraf Prasannadhihi. Dhauta Vastraha means clean Vastram. Washed, cleaned, all these mean Dhauta Vastram. Hrada. Fresh clothes. Dhauta Vastaf Prasannadhihi. Sometimes this can also mean that Dhauta means white. But Dhauta Vastraf Prasannadhihi. Prasannadhihi, he should be having completion within himself. He should have Prasanna. What is Prasanna? Happy, satisfied. When you have completion, the expression that you have, the bhava that you have within you is complete, is Prasanna. No, bliss is Anandam. Dhritvordhva Pundram Nirvartya. It's very clear, he should be wearing Urdhva Pundram. Namam. Dhritva Urdhva Pundram Nirvartya. Pundra. Satykarma yathochitam. Satyakarma, the one who has taken the sankalpa, who has taken a sankalpa, vow to do the karma. Satyakarma yathochitam, yatha uchitam means in whatever way it will be applicable. Uchitam. Uchitam means not uchitam, uchitam. That's what appropriate. Appropriate. Sweshtadevam samaradhya. Swa Ishtadevam samaradhya. He has to, after having worshipped his Ishtadevata, everywhere, it's always any puja, anything that you do, you always worship Ganapati, Guru. You always worship your worship Ganapati, Guru, your Kuladevata and Ishtadevata. Next is Gandha Pushpa Akshataadibihi Prangmukha Prayato Bhutva. Gandha Pushpa Akshataadibihi, along with the Gandha Pushpa and Akshata, he has to sit facing Prak, facing east. Prangmukha Prayato Bhutva. Prayataha means having lot of bhakti. Prayato Bhutva. Pranayama Purasaram. After having done the pranayamam purassaram means having done it previously. Pranayama purassaram sankirtya deshakalancha. Sankirtya means after having done the kirtanam of desham and kalam. What does it mean, kirtanam of desham and kalam? Since sankalpa has to be done. Sankalpa you mention time and place. So after mentioning the time and desham and kalam, nanotpata sushantaye, nana utpata sushantaye, for the shanti of the different kinds of utpatas. Prajanam atmanaschaiva, for one's own self and for his own self and for the benefit of the citizens. Rashtrasya nagarasya cha, for the benefit of for the protection of the Rashtra kingdom and Nagara city, Rakshartham, for the protection of all these, for the protection of the self, protection of citizens, protection of kingdom and then Nagaram city. Karayishye aham Chatushashti Dvijottamaihi Mahashantim Yathashastram Iti Sankalpya Sadaram. He has to, कारयिष्येऽहं चतुष्षष्टि द्विजोत्तमैः कारयिष्ये Karayishye. Usually we say in Sankalpa Karishye. Here we say Karayishye. Karayishye means make somebody do. Karishye means I do. Karayishye means make somebody do. Make somebody else do. Do what? Make somebody else do. The Mahashanti, Yatha Shastram, as per the Shastra, Yatha Shastram, Shastram Anatikramya, not going beyond the scriptural injunctions, I make the Mahashanti done by Chatushashti Dvijottamaihi. Chatushashti, 64. Chatuhu means 4. Shashti, 60. 64. Dvijottamaihi. Dvijottamaihi. Dvija Uttamaihi. With the Brahmanas. 64 Brahmanas. Samrajya Lakshmi Pujartham Homa. That's all. This is the Sankalpa he does. What is the Sankalpa? Sankirti Deshakalancha. After having told the time and place. Nanotpata Sushantaye, for the Shanti of the different kinds of Utpatas, for the protection of for the king own self, and for the protection of the citizens, protection of the kingdom, protection of the city. I am going to make the Mahal Shanti of Mahashanti for Samraj Lakshmi Devi get done as per the Shastras through 64 Brahmanas. This is the Sankalpa he does. He has to do. The beginning, he has to do the Sankalpa. Iti Sankalpya Sadaram. With lot of respect, he has to do the Sadaram. With lot of respect and humbleness, he has to do the Sankalpa. Samrajya Lakshmi Pujartham Homarthancha Bahushrutam. Acharyamekam Vrunuyat Vinayadi Gunanvitam. He has to, the Raja has to do the Acharya Varana for Samrajya Lakshmi Puja and for the Homa. For Samrajya Lakshmi Puja, then Homa. For both, he has to do. He has to, first Acharya Varanam. He has to do the Acharya Varanam. What kind of an Acharya? Bahushrutam Vinayadi Gunanvitam. One Acharya, Acharyam Ekam. One Acharya has to be invited and one Acharya has to be appointed for it. That Acharya should be Bahushrutam. He should be well educated. So, Bahushrutam. Shrutam means learnt by hearing. He should be well educated. Bahushrutam. Vinayadi gunanvitam. He should be having very good character. Guna. Character. What kind of character? Vinaya and etc. Vinaya is humbleness. Vidya dadati vinayam. There is a Subhashitam saying Vidya dadati vinayam vinayadyati patratam patratvad dhanamapnoti dhanadhairyam tatas sukham. Vidya dadati vinayam. Only that which gives you humbleness is Vidya, is education. Even in Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavan Sri Krishna says, Vidya vinaya sampanne brahmane gavihastini. Vidya vinaya sampanne. In the Brahmana in whom Vidya is also there and also humbleness is there. So Vidya has to give humbleness. Only then it is Vidya. That is what here also Paramashiva uses. Vinayadi gunanvitam. The one who has Vinayadi guna means the good qualities like Vinayam, humbleness. Vinayam means humbleness, humility, and etc. Angadi, this is for understanding, this is for Samraja Lakshmi Puja and Homa. This one Acharya. Angavarana Devadi Devata Pujanayacha Veda Vedanga Tatvajnan Vrunuyat Trimshat Ritvijaha. For the Anga Devata and Avarana Devadi Anga Avarana Devadi Puja. For the Anga, Avarana, Adi, Devata Puja, for all these Devatas and etc. Puja, Pujanayacha, Veda Vedanga Tattvajnan. Tattva means the principle, all the Shastras knowing. Tattvajnan. The Sukshma meaning. The Sukshma Artham is always called be Tattvajna, Tattva. Sukshma, the subtle, the in-depth meaning, core essence of something will be called as Tattva. That is what we say it's principle. Tattva means principle. Sukshma is subtle. The Sukshma means the deepest, subtlest. Veda Vedanga Tattvajnan. The Ritviks, 30 Ritwik Varanam has to be done. Varanam of 30 Ritviks have to be done. Trimshat Ritvijaha. Trimshat means 30. Trimshat Ritvijaha Vrunuyat. Do the Varanam of 30 Ritviks. What kind of Ritviks? Veda Vedanga Tattvajnan. The Ritvik should be well educated in having good knowledge in Vedas and their Angas. What are the Vedas? Rigveda, Yajurvedam, Samavedam and Atharva Vedam. It's 4 Vedas. What are the Shadangas of Vedas? 6 Angas. Jyotisham, Vyakaranam. Then? What are the Shad Darshanas? Okay, that is Shad Darshanam. Then what is Shadangam? What are the Shad Angas, 6 Angas, 6 limbs of Vedas for the Veda Purusha? I should tell or you will find out and tell next class? Thank you. All the Vedangas, and you should also tell what they mean. Means what does each deals about. Like Jyotisha, he has told, Jyotisha and Vyakarana, he has told. Jyotisha means astrology. I told Vedangas are the limbs of the, Anga means limbs of the Veda Purusha. So what each Anga, which Vedanga, in the Shadanga, 6 Angas, each one forms what part of the Veda Purusha. Also find out and tell. Yes. 30 ritviks for Anga and Avarana, Anga Devata Puja and Avarana Devadadi Puja, Avarana Devadi Pujas. Sarvakarmanusandhanam kartum brahmanamevacha. Sorry, brahmanamevacha. For the Sarvakarmanusandhanam, one brahmana varanam should be done. Vritva atha Vastu Puja artham. For the Vastu Puja, Homa artham, Viprapungavan. For Vastu Puja and Vastu Homa, Viprapungavan. Viprapungavan means male brahmanas. Nimantriya Dashasankhyakan Ashtau Vrinuyad Dvijan. Now, how many people have to be called for Vastu Homa and Vastu Puja? 10. Dashasankhyakan. 10 brahmanas have to be called for Vastu Puja and Vastu Homa. It doesn't say Vastu Puja. For Homa, Homa is an anga for puja. Homa is an anga of. Also, puja is an anga of Homa. In a short, if you see within the Homa, puja is also an anga of the Homa. But in a broad perspective, in the complete perspective, if you see, Homa is an anga of puja. Pujangatvena homam. So, vastu. अथ अष्टौ वृणुयात् द्विजान् दिक्पाल पूजा होमार्थम. Now अष्टौ वृणुयात् द्विजान्. अष्टौ द्विजान् वृणुयात्. 10 dvijas, 10 brahmanas. The varanam of 10 brahmanas have to be, 8 brahmanas have to be done. Completing, it's 8, not 10. 8 brahmanas have to be done for dikpala puja homartham, for the homas and puja for the dikpalas. ग्रहयज्ञार्थमद्रिजे विभज्य दशविप्रांस्तु. ग्रहयज्ञार्थम, for the Navagraha Homa, for the Grahayajna, it is not called, Paramashiva does not call it as Navagraha Homa. I am telling because it is Graha, I am telling Navagraha. Grahayajna, for the Grahayajna, Yajnas to be done for the Grahas. Wow, who are all the 10 Grahas? Sir, 9 Grahas. You tell? Huh? Oh, no. Then what do you say? Sun, moon. Why? Why will you start with Shani? Huh. Yes, Maharaj. Start with Somavara, Mangalavara. You can remember from that, na? At least Soma, Mangala, Angaraka. That's what Mangala. Soma, Aditya, Soma, Mangala, Buddha, Guru, Shukra, Shani, 7. Then Rahu and Ketu. Vibhajya Dashavipramstu. For that, 10 Brahmanas have to be appointed. Here Paramashiva says 10 Brahmanas have to be allocated. Chaturotha Dvijottaman. Chaturaha means, what is Chaturaha? Chaturaha also means clever. Chaturaha, here not clever, here 4 only. Chaturaha atha Dvijottaman. 4 Brahmanas have to be appointed for Vedaparayanartham, for Parayanam of chanting of Vedas. Tu Vritva Tan Dvijapungavan. Kundalaihi Anguliyaischa Pattavastraischa Chitritaihi. Those Brahmanas have to be decorated with Kundalam Anguliyakam. Kundalam means the kadukan that we will wear, na? The kadukan they will wear. Kundalam. Anguliyakam. Anguliyam means Anguli. That which is worn in Anguli, finger, is called Anguliyam. Anguliyaischa. What? Ring, but real ring means earring, no string, where various rings are there. So I said finger ring. Anguliyaischa pattavastraischa chitritaihi. They should be well decorated with silk clothes. Pattavastram. Alankritya vadet devam vadet evam tan vipran prithvipatihi. Alankritya, after having decorated them with various kinds of these abharanas, alankritya, after having well decorated them, vadet evam. Who should, vadet means should tell. Who should tell? Prithvipatihi. The Raja has to tell. Prithvipatihi. Prithvi means Bhumi, Pati means Vadet. No, who means all these Brahmanas only have to be told. Vadet evam tan vipran. Those Brahmanas. Address those Brahmanas. What should the Raja address? Bhobho dvijavarayuyam veda vedantaparagaha. Please repeat. Bhobho dvijavarayuyam veda vedantaparagaha. Kripalavas satyasandhaha. Sarva pranihite rataha. Maya sankalpite shantihi. Karmanyasmin yatha vidhi. Vartitavyam bhavadbhistu. Savadhanena chetasa. Mantralopakriyalopadi. Arishtam na bhavedyatha. Tathedam karma yushmabhihi. Samapyam sukshmaya dhiya. Samapyam sukshmaya dhiya. No, not samayam. Samapyam sukshmaya dhiya. Mama rashtre pure chaiva. Sambhutotpata shantaye. Prajanam atmanaschaiva. Rakshanartham visheshatah. Kartavyaisha mahashantihi. Yatha shastram yatha vidhi. Samrajyada mahalakshmihi. Samyak tushta yatha bhavet. Tathedam karma yushmabhihi. Tathedam. कर्मयुष्माभिः कर्तव्यम् अविशङ्कया इति सम्प्रार्थ्य तान् विप्रान् आरोप्य शिबिकादिषु. So what should the Raja tell? The Raja should tell Bho Dvijavarayuyam. Bho means it's a way of addressing. Sambodhanam. It's a way of addressing also with respect. Bho means Bho Dvijavaraha Bho. You call that way. Once you Bho means means calling with respect, like sir, but it's not sir. I'm just telling you, you call somebody sir, na? So Bho Dvijavarayuyam. O all Dvijavaraha. Dvijavaraha means Dvijashreshtaha. Brahmana Shreshtaha means Dvijavaraha means Brahmana Shreshtaha. The noble Brahmanas. You all. Vedanta Paragaha. You all who all know the Vedas and the Vedantas, Upanishads. Kripalavaha Satyasandhaha Sarvaprani Hiterataha. You are all O Brahmanas, who are all humble, who are all well established in Dharma, well established in Satya and well established in doing good for all the creatures. Sarva prani hiterataha. Maya sankalpite shanti karmani. By in the shanti karma that I have done sankalpa, for which I have done sankalpa. Shanti maya sankalpite. Maya by me sankalpite. In which I have done sankalpa. For what I have done sankalpa? Shanti karmani. For the shanti karma. Asmin, in this shanti karma, yatha vidhi. As per the Shastra, as per the Vidhi, in the Shanti Karma, in this Shanti Karma that I have, for which I have done Sankalpa, Vartitavyam Bhavadbhistu, you should all be here for doing this. Bhavadbhihi, by you all, you should be here. Vartitavyam should be there. Savadhanena Chetasa, with lot of attention and care. Mantralopa kriyalopadi arishtam na bhavedyatha, in such a way that there will be lopa means loss, in such a way that there is no mantralopa, the loss in the mantra, loss in the kriya lopa, or arishtam, or such kind of an arishtam, such kind of a doshas not happen, in such a way that there is no dosha like mantra lopa dosha, kriya lopa dosha. Are you understanding? Tathedam, tatha idam, in that such a way, this karma, idam karma, this karma, yushma bhihi, by you all, samapyam, has to be finished. Samapyam means samapayit, has to be finished. Samapyam, sukshmaya dhiya means with subtle, deep intelligence, with sukshma buddhi. Mama rashtre, what is it? Tathedam. Mama rashtre pure chaiva. In my rashtra kingdom, in my pura, in my fort, in my city, chaiva sambhuta utpata shantaye. For the shanti of the utpatas that have happened in the kingdom, in my kingdom and in my fort, in my city, prajanam atmanaschaiva rakshanartham visheshataha, especially for the protection of my own self and my citizens. Kartavya yesha mahashantihi. This mahashanti has to be done. Yatha shastram yatha vidhi. As per the shastras, as per the vidhi. Yatha shastram, shastram anatikramya, vidhi anatikramya. साम्राज्यदा महालक्ष्मीः सम्यक् तुष्टा यथा भवेत्, in such a way that Samrajya Lakshmi is pleased, will be pleased. Samrajyada Mahalakshmi, Samrajya Lakshmi. What is Samrajyada? What is Samrajyada? Why do we say Samrajyada Mahalakshmi? You tell. Samrajyam dadati iti samrajyada. Because she bestows samrajya, she is called Samrajyada Mahalakshmi. Samyak tushta, samyak well. Tushta means santushta, happy, pleased. Tushti means tripti, happy, pleased. Samyak tushta yatha bhavet, in such a way that Samrajya Lakshmi will be well pleased. Tathedam karma yushma bhihi, in such a way this karma, this kriya, Mahashanti, Yushma bhihi, by you all, Kartavyam, by you all it should be done in such a way that Samrajya Lakshmi will be pleased, well pleased, in such a way, in that way, this karma has to be done by you all. Avishankaya, Avishanka, Shanka means, not that Shankam, not Shanka. Not Shanka, Shanka. Shanka is doubt, Shanka is fear also. Shanka, Shankite means without any fear or without any doubt. Means it should be perfectly done. Avishankaya, it should be perfectly done. It's the meaning that should be understood here. Iti samprarthyatan vipran. After having done the prarthana to this brahmanas, understand this is not a order as a raja he will do. It is a prarthana because it are brahmanas, so he will do only the prarthana. Iti samprarthyatan vipran. After having done the prarthana to the brahmanas in this way, aropya shibikadishu. After having been seated on the shibika, etc. Nadatsu panchavadyeshu purato mantapantikam gatva narapatisturnam bhadre bhad avaruhyatam. We'll continue with the rest of the shlokas. What after having told these, what the Raja should do now, after having climbed up, seated on his shibika, palanquin, what he should do, where he should go, all these details Paramashiva will be explaining in the rest of the shlokas, which will be continuing in the rest of the upcoming sessions. With this, let's offer our gratitude at the feet of Swamiji and pranams at the feet of Swamiji. And conclude this session with the Purna mantra. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Tatsat Sarvam Bhagavat Shri Nityananda Paramashiva Padukarpanamastu. Om Nityanandam.